Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common question: how to set up your Eufy Genie on your iPhone. It's super easy, and by the end of this video, you'll have your smart assistant up and running. First things first, what exactly is the Eufy Genie? Think of it as your personal smart assistant powered by Alexa. It can play music, answer questions, control smart home devices, and so much more, all with just your voice. And the best part, it works seamlessly with your iPhone. Let's jump right into the setup. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type in Eufy Home, that's EUFY Home. Once you find it, tap Get or the cloud icon to download and install the app. It's a free app, so no worries there. Now let's get your Eufy Genie powered on. Take the power adapter that came in the box and plug it into the back of your Eufy Genie. Then, plug the other end into a wall outlet. You should see a light ring illuminate on the top of the Eufy Genie, indicating it's powered up and ready to connect. Alright, so let's get started. Open up the Eufy Home app that you just downloaded. Now if it's your first time using it, you might need to create a free Eufy account. But if you already have one, just go ahead and log in. Once you're in the app, you should see a plus icon or maybe an add device button. It's usually hanging out in the top right corner or maybe right in the center of your screen. Just tap on it. Now from the list of devices that pops up, go ahead and select Smart Speaker or Eufy Genie. The app will then guide you through the next steps. It's pretty straightforward, so just follow along. Your Eufy Genie will now start looking for available Wi-Fi networks. The app will likely instruct you to go to your iPhone's Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a Wi-Fi network named something like Eufy Genie _XXX or something similar. Go ahead and connect your iPhone to this network. This temporarily connects your iPhone directly to the Genie for setup. Once you're connected, just head back to the Eufy Home app. The app will then prompt you to select your home Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Make sure you select your regular home Wi-Fi network, not the Eufy Genie's temporary network. This part is really crucial for your Eufy Genie to connect to the internet and communicate with Alexa. Once your Eufy Genie is connected to your home Wi-Fi, the app will guide you to link your Amazon Alexa account. If you don't have an Alexa account, you can actually create one right there. But if you do, just log in with your Amazon credentials. This is basically how the Eufy Genie gets its smarts. And that's it. Your Eufy Genie is now set up and ready to use with your iPhone. You can start by saying, "Alexa, what's the weather?" or "Alexa, play some music." You can also customize settings, manage smart home devices, and explore all the features through the Eufy Home app. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.